Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you how to restore your Google Chrome settings to default. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Chrome browser, and the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you go to settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here and click on reset settings. Then right here, restore setting to their original default. You can simply click on here, restore setting. This action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extension, delete cookies and other temporary site data, bookmark history, save password won't be affected. So what you need to do is to click on reset settings, and with that, you are completely back to a new Chrome browser. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to reset setting or restore back to default setting in your Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Chrome, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.